modern radar, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence system capture more RF data than ever, and every sample has to reach the network in real time. On Altera Agilex 9's Direct RF series, that job normally costs a processor core. What if it didn't? Here is a fully CPU-free 10 gigabit Ethernet TCP and UDP, offloaded entirely into the FPGA.
When your data absolutely cannot be lost, command and control, file transfer, mission recording, you need TCP. But a software TCP/IP stack is slow, and it burns CPU cycles you don't have. TOE10G-IP moves the entire TCP/IP stack into hardware. The result, reliable, lossless 10 gig connectivity at up to 1,200 megabytes per second, close to the full line rate of a 10 gig link. Your application just reads and writes a simple 64-bit FIFO. No driver, no operating system, no CPU in the data path. When latency matters most, live RF streaming, sensor data, radar data cubes, UDP is the right choice. UDP10G-IP delivers the same 1,200 megabytes per second, with the low latency and a tiny footprint of around 1,700 logic modules. It's lightweight, deterministic, and built for the mission-critical aerospace and defense systems Agilex 9 was designed for, again, through the same simple 64-bit FIFO, with no CPU involved.
So, which one fits your design? Choose TOE10G-IP, when reliability comes first. Guaranteed in-order delivery for enterprise link, hardware-to-hardware network, and FTP file transfer, using about 2,700 logic modules. Choose UDP10G-IP, when speed comes first, the lowest latency for live monitoring and long-distance streaming, in just 1,700 logic modules. Both reach 1,200 megabytes per second. Both use the same simple interface, and both are proven, ready to integrate IP core. Available today for Agilex 9, a complete, reliable solution you won't have to build from scratch.
Let's see it running on real hardware. This is our reference demo on the Agilex 9 Direct RF series board. The FPGA connects over a single 10 gigabit Ethernet link, with the TOE10G-IP and UDP10G-IP cores handling the full network stack right in the fabric. That link can run point-to-point, or through a standard Ethernet switch, and the endpoint on the other side can be another FPGA or a PC. Either way, data moves at full line rate. Now, TOE10G-IP in action. Two FPGAs exchange 32 megabytes of TCP payload, each running its own console. Watch the throughput hold steady at 1,200 megabytes per second, reliable, lossless transfer, right at the limit of the 10 gig link. And UDP10G-IP. Same setup, two FPGAs, two consoles, now moving 32 megabytes of UDP payload. Again, the throughput locks in at 1,200 megabytes per second, the same line rate result, with UDP's lower latency and smaller footprint. For customers developing advanced RF, aerospace, defense, or real-time data systems, please contact Design Gateway to discuss your Agilex 9 Ethernet solution.